Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can use the split screen for multitasking on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. You have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Or if you cannot access settings through the start button, simply search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. You'll find system in the list of options on the left pane. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find multitasking, snap windows, desktop task switching. And here you'll find snap windows. If this is turned on your Windows, you need to turn that on. And then all of these options right here are turned on. Show tabs from apps when snapping. Click on this drop down arrow and you can choose how many recent tabs you want. So I'm just going to choose 3 most recent tabs. And then once done, just simply close out of here once Snap Windows is enabled. And then let me quickly open my Chrome browser. Let's maximize this. And then if I'm going to multitask with my Windows, I'm also going to open the File Explorer. And if I drag this window, they will take, or each window will take half of the space on the desktop. And now I can multitask with it. So if I'm going to search for an info here, and then I'm also going to do some duties from here. So I can simply multitask. And if I'm also going to open a new tab. So let's say, for example, I'm going to open the Firefox browser. And I'm going to just minimize this for now. Place it here. And the Chrome browser. And I can also open the File Explorer. So functionally, it could just be 2 windows that we need to open here in the desktop so that we can easily access into it. But you can always open 3 different windows just based on how many tabs you choose from the settings option. And there you go. You can now multitask into your windows. Anyway, you can just simply minimize each of these windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.